In this course, I'm going to show you how I and thousands of other baby boomers supplement our income each month. You will learn where to find easy remote gigs that you can do from anywhere in the world. But more importantly, you will learn about different options to earn income online. Everything from working on and through gig platforms or working for yourself. Either way, I show you what I do. I will not lie to you, and I will not mislead you. I do not make thousands of dollars a month. Perhaps I could, and perhaps you will. It depends on your level of commitment. I'm retired. I travel the world, or at least I did before the pandemic. That means I do what I want, when I want. I will show you how to get top-of-the-line training with certification for free. This certification is respected around the world and is well worth your effort. You will learn approximately 9 different ways that I personally have earned income online. You will learn how to get started and mostly what not to do. Yeah, I'm a YouTube creator. I will introduce you to easy and profitable ways to increase your income while working with mega corporations like YouTube, eBay, Fiverr, Facebook, Amazon, and Udemy. Facebook is mostly for marketing. The other 5 companies will put money in your account each month. We will also go over the top remote job sites and how to get started earning right away. My name is Sandy Ingram, hired expat, now traveling the world. At least I was before the pandemic. I have spent the first lockdown in the second and third phase of the pandemic in Mexico. It is extremely easy to travel within Mexico, and I'll share some of that information with you. As soon as health conditions allow, I will be returning, hopefully, to the Caribbean and Europe. But that's not what this course is all about. I retired from the San Francisco Bay Area, and even though I was born in California, I could not afford to retire in the city I was born in. Thus, I understand what it feels like to want to retire and yet not feel comfortable with your monthly income. So I'm going to show you how I and thousands of other baby boomers have evolved into making and earning an income each month online.